Changing your username on Robinhood is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your username easily. Step 1. Open the Robinhood app. Launch the Robinhood app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on the account icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. From there, navigate to the Settings or Account Settings option. Step 3. Select Username Change option. Look for the option related to your username. This may be labeled as Change Username or something similar within the Account Settings menu. Step 4. Enter new username. Input your desired new username. Make sure it meets any specified requirements such as character limits or uniqueness. Step 5. Confirm changes. Review your new username and confirm the changes. You may need to enter your password or complete a verification step to finalize the update. Once you have completed these steps, your username will be updated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Robinhood support for assistance.